Hello everyone, I am Shalu. Welcome to my channel where I post videos related to books. Today's video is a Q&A video, my first ever Q&A video on this channel. A few days ago, I put up a post here and on my Instagram account inviting your questions. So without further ado, let's head right to the questions. The first question is from Jyotishri from the channel Life Simplified. What made you start BookTube? I wanted to have my own YouTube channel. And when I thought about what kind of content I wanted to make, only books came to my mind. And one should make content only related to the things one is passionate about, right? The second question is from Maya from the channel Bookshot. Who or what inspired you to start BookTube? As I mentioned before, I just wanted to have a YouTube channel. And that's how BookTube happened. At that point, I wasn't even sure if I would keep making videos or how long my initial enthusiasm would last. And then I met a bunch of wonderful booktubers online. I'm sure you know who all I am talking about. Nika, Lipakshi, Jyotsna, Jyotishri, Manpreet, Divya, and you of course. And how can I forget Sonali? Maya's second question is, one valuable learning after becoming a video creator. After becoming a video creator, I have realized that the best time to start anything is now. When I started my YouTube channel, I had zero knowledge about filming or editing, etc. I wasn't comfortable in front of camera. I was apprehensive what others will think, what others will say. But if you keep waiting, then probably you will never start. The next question is from a wonderful booktuber, Manish Manu. The book that you would like to gift somebody. The book that I have gifted the most is Bhagavad Gita as it is by Srila Prabhupada. Bhagavad Gita has the answer to life's deepest questions and a solution to every problem. I love this translated version because it has not only the translated meanings of the Sanskrit verses but also detailed and in-depth commentaries on them. I have gifted this book to most of my friends and colleagues. After all, a gift of knowledge is the best gift, isn't it? The next question is from Upkar Singh, who asks, favorite read so far of 2021. Of all the books I have read so far in 2021, I really loved Bombay Balchao by Jane Borges. It is such a beautiful book and such a delightful surprise. It is a bunch of short stories about the Catholic community of Bombay. The narrative keeps shifting from past to present. I really loved the stories, the quirky characters, the writing style, and how the author has brought alive the spirit and heritage of Bombay. Another book that I really loved was Open by Andre Agassi. I was a huge fan of Andre Agassi while growing up. And so I wanted to read this book from so long. This book is so beautifully written and so brutally honest. You should definitely check it out. And just yesterday, I finished Rebecca by Daphne du Maurier. Such a hauntingly beautiful book. The next question is from Shriya Srivastava. Who is your favorite Indian booktuber and why? I really like Manpreet from the channel Indian Booktuber. She is so honest and straightforward, and this is what I really like about her. Another booktuber that I like is Sneha from Book Junction. Her videos are so aesthetically short. Another booktuber that I really admire is Avdhoot from the channel Read Travel Become. He is so innovative and comes up with such unique video concepts. Shriya also asks, what are your views on The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas? I just love this book. I read this book last year and it is among my top favorites of 2020. The story is so powerful and hard-hitting. Angie Thomas has written such a compelling story which not only entertains but also educates. I have also done a detailed review of the book. I will leave the link in the description box. The next question is from Divya from the channel Celebrity Research. What is the hardest thing you had to face during BookTube that you didn't think of? The hardest thing for me has been sticking to a schedule. I have tried so many times to create a posting schedule but failed miserably every time. This is one thing that I really need to work upon. The next question is by Somdatta Chattopadhyay. Who is your favorite writer? There are so many. Sidney Sheldon, Paulo Coelho, Jane Austen, Khalid Hosseini, Sophie Kinsella, Robin Sharma, Kyago Higashino, Elif Shafak. What is your favorite genre? My favorite genre is mystery and thrillers. Somdatta further asks, name one of your favorite books from your childhood. As a child, I used to read a lot of Amar Chitra Kathas. They made me better acquainted with India's rich history and culture. Another favorite book of mine was a Russian book called Papa Jab Bacche The. It was such a funny book. In it, the author used to narrate the stories from his childhood to his daughter. I particularly remember one story in which Papa had toothache and he was taken to a dentist. When the dentist started his examination, Papa bit him. In another story, Papa tries to befriend a stray dog. The book had such beautiful illustrations. In fact, I used to read a lot of Russian books while growing up. They used to come with glossy hardcovers with beautiful illustrations. Sadly, they are no longer available in India. Your question made me so nostalgic. I searched for the book online and luckily I found an English translated version on Amazon. When Daddy Was a Little Boy. It is a mass paperback edition. And so I'm sure that it will not be as beautiful as the original edition that I had. But still I have ordered it. Can't wait to read it again. Next question is from Ayushi Pandey. Any Hindi book recommendations you have for beginners? I am also a beginner when it comes to Hindi books. I have recently started reading in Hindi and I have started with contemporary writers like Satya Vyas and Divya Prakash Dubey. They both write in Nai Wali Hindi, that is Aam Bolchal Ki Bhasha, which is quite easy to understand. I really loved Chaurasi by Satya Vyas and Ibn Batuti by Divya Prakash Dubey. I have reviewed most of their books on my channel. You can check the reviews. After your question, I also thought a lot about this and I have recently made a collaboration video with some other amazing Hindi booktubers. You can also check that video. I will leave the links in the description box. Ayush's second question is, any message or advice for new content creators, booktubers, bookstagrammers, book bloggers, etc. BookBee has also asked, what are some of your tips to new booktubers? Well, I am not really in a position to give advice, but if you ask me, I would suggest you to build a connection with your audience, that is your subscribers. Engage with them, reply to their comments. After all, your channel grows because of your subscribers. My other tip would be to be consistent in uploading videos. More videos means more views and more channel appearance. I would also suggest you to focus on your video quality. I am not suggesting that you go for an expensive camera or some other fancy gear, but just take care of some basic things like the proper lighting, proper audio quality. No one likes to, watch blurry videos or videos where audio quality is very poor. And my last tip would be to enjoy booktubing. You see, it is very easy to get frustrated with low views or, less channel growth. But remember that we are here for the love of reading. So keep making videos and enjoy the process. And the last question is from my favorite booktuber, Avdhoot from Read Travel Become. As a content creator, what is more challenging? Coming up with video ideas or execution of the ideas? Well, I find coming up with new video concepts more challenging. You never know what is going to click with the audience. And then you don't want to be repetitive also. And in case of us booktubers, it is even more challenging. We can't talk about a book unless we have read it. And then within readers also there are so many different categories. Some prefer fiction, some prefer non-fiction, some YA, some fantasy and so on. So coming up with a video concept that would appeal to all kind of readers is even more challenging. So that's all for today. If you have enjoyed this question and answer video, please like, comment and share. And if you want to see more bookish content like this, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until my next video, bye and take care.